Right, comparing decimals, 0.2, 0.17, which one is the biggest? You might assume that 0.17 is the larger one because that's a 17, to you it looks like a 17 and that's only a 2. So it seems like that one is bigger, but it's not. If I just show you now, if I line these numbers up, like so, right, you have 2/10. Here, only 1/10. 2/10 is bigger than 1/10. This number is clearly bigger. This one's bigger. Similarly, comparing these numbers, you might be fooled into thinking that this is bigger than this. But now if you compare the digits, right, these are the same decimal points, 4/10, 4/10, still the same. Let's go on to the next one, the hundredths, 300ths, 300ths, still the same. Move on to the thousandths, that's an 8 and a 7, that one's bigger. This number is bigger. Right. When comparing numbers, if the examiners asked you to put these numbers smallest to biggest, you could line these numbers up like I've done over here into the placeholders, or what you can do is just have a look at the number of digits after the decimal point. We've got 1 digit after the decimal point, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Clearly 3 is the largest number of digits we have after the decimal point. So you got to make sure there are 3 digits after the decimal point in all the numbers in this question. So stick 2 zeros there, that's 3 digits. Stick a 0 there, that's 3 digits now. How many zeros do we need here? 3 digits. We don't need to put anything at the end of this because it's already 3 digits. So now it's easy to compare. The smallest number, but just look at these numbers at the end. You got 3. It's like 300, 470, 200, 133. But that's not really how you pronounce it. But anyway, you got 1, 3, 3. That's the smallest. That's the first one. So you copy that. Next one, 200, 300, 470. You got that one there. That's your second one. So you write 0.2. You don't need to include the zeros now. We only put those zeros there to help us get here. Next one, 300 is smaller than 470, so write 0.3, and the last one is 0.47. Right, the numbers are in numerical order, smallest to biggest.